One, you don't know Stonebwoy representing all the way from Ghana. May I represent for Reggae Vibes Radio.
Reggae Vibes Radio.
Yeah, people, you don't know the voice of the Gryzzly beer vibes, beer fun, beer things, mostly beer facts. And yeah, Reggae Vibes Media, the world media, bring you another one. So watch you know, I don't know Stoner. When him name Stonebwoy, not Stoner, Stonebwoy. Yeah, it's an African artist. And in the world, a lot of people might feel like I just Jamaica alone have dancehall, but you have dancehall in South Africa too, and other places in Africa like Sierra Leone and Zimbabwe and Ghana and them places. Then you have dancehall. I want to say dancehall, hardcore dancehall, cause Shatta Wale and them man they are hardcore dancehall artists. Likewise, that youth now, Zin, Stonebwoy. So what I want with him assert himself as Africa's dancehall king. But IRAWMA, which is the International Reggae and Music Awards, I said something different. Yeah, them a make this man know say Beenie Man. Yes man, Zaga Zow Zow now. Yeah, Zaga Zow. Yeah. The girl them sugar. That man there. Yard man, Jamaican. Mr. Moses. Yes. Is. So them people that make this youth know, you know. Say Beenie Man is the world renowned Dancehall King. See? So we're going to give a little more information about the youth here. So Stonebwoy presently have an album named Fifth Dimension. You know? With artists like Dexter Daps and Shaggy. You know what I mean? Big up to your youth. You see me and say a joy if you know say you reach out in an I&I culture. You know what I mean? And then you could have that interest if you want to do a collab with these artists for a period of time. And you get the opportunity to do so and you put it on an album. You know what I mean? I love the whole vibration of the culture. You know what I mean? The two cultures that come together and a sound out. Yeah man, I love that vibe there. Zin, so yes, you have an album with two artists from Rona. Zin, so you have a big show, the International Reggae and Music Award. You know, people them I keep on big show, one award show, where over 200,000 people vote. Zin and even more too. Zin, yeah, vote. So on May the 7th, you have that big show around one place over Africa there. You know what I mean? Where them are going to weigh out the thing between, you know, Shatta Wale and other artists we live within Africa, different areas of Africa. See me? So the brother will run the place over there. We run IRAWMA. See him? Ephraim Martin. If me get the name right. EPHRAIM. Yes. Ephraim Martin. Zin, them man they are part of the whole curation of the International Reggae and Music Awards. And them man they keep it mutual because him don't want to say Shatta Wale are the baddest thing and him don't want to say Stonebwoy are the baddest thing and then it create conflict and contention. Zin, but him I make them know prior to being in the business and curate events like these. One dancehall king. One king of the dancehall, and that a Beenie Man. Yeah, because here we go for say. For years, Zin, for years, Beenie Man has been crowned and widely regarded as the king of dancehall. And while acknowledging that there are several kingdoms across the world, Zin, that means you have different places in the world where you have some man where I say, yo, we want to run off that kingdom as the king, and you have a woman over there where I say, yo, want to run off over here as the queen. Zin?
Just can't wait.
But in the world, Zin, Mr. Martin, I make them know, say, listen to me. There's really just one global Remember, you know what I mean? Stonebwoy, not Stonebwoy. Stonebwoy, I say, him are the dancehall king in Africa. And these people, the RRAWMA people, I make him know, say, listen to me. No matter if you make a big album and you draw a couple of artists from Jamaica and you do something and you get a couple of awards and them something there. Zine, cause him they get a Vodafone, VODA, a Vodafone award. Yeah, and Shatawale youth them run up there. You know what I mean? Film crew run go up there cause it's like them must say boy the youth never did deserve to get that award. You know what I mean? Cause I remember say Shatawale did do one tune with Beyonce and that song they did it and did a trend for a while and the amount of views on it and then type of something there. So for this artist jump up and talk about him a dancehall king. No. So Martin make him know say there's only one dancehall king and a Beenie Man. Beenie Man are the one dancehall king. Yeah people and that part the youth there, the youth right so. Yeah man, him name J Shepherd.
I don't eat everything left that's on my plate. Not late.
Yeah man, J Shepherd and him have a song named Go Get It. Yeah, you know them motivational song there. Them song that want make you know say listen, get up, you can't sit down and expect it to come to you. If you want something you have to work for it. You know what I mean? You have to put in the effort. You see me I say? Yeah, perpetual energy. So you have to do it. So that youth yeah man, you need to give him some strength and some support. And if you haven't subscribed to Reggae Vibes Media, the world media as yet, yeah man, it would be nice. You see me I say if you could have just subscribe, hit the notification bell and also comment, like and share this video. You know? Yeah man, so J Shepherd, yeah brother. I made that song there and thing, I listen to it and it give me a different vibration compared to where some other artists would have said and the way how them would have go about things. In? Yeah, cause remember you know, you have different ways to go about it. You have a right and a wrong way, you see me? But I still a way. But the right way is the better way. Yeah man, so people, J Shepherd, yeah man, go get it. Quick and fast like how Messi quick and fast.
Waste time already. Now stop tell about them every can't wait.